Connecting students. Hope you all are fit and fine. So today we will do an activity of maths of the topic expanded forms. So here I have made 1, 2, 3 and 4 discs. So here I have written ones place. This I have fixed the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Similarly in the tens disc I have fixed the digits 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80. Similarly in the hundred place I have fixed 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700 and 800. And in the thousand place I have fixed 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000 and 8000. So let us start with the activity now. Okay. So here we have to write the place values firstly in the expanded form. We need place values also, everyone know. So here I have a digit 3582. At ones place I have 2. So let us fix this 2. Okay. So it's facing towards 2. Okay. Now we have this 5 here. 8 here at the tens place. So let us fix, that is up to 80 we will fix. Now we have at the 100 place 5. So it is towards 500. Yes, it is towards 500. So now we have at the 1000 place 3 is there, you can see. So here I have to fix it like that. Okay, that is 3000. It is facing toward 3000. So what will be the expanded form of this? You can write, you can see on the screen. The 1000 place we will write. Firstly, it is facing towards 3000. So the expanded form will be 3000 plus how many hundreds? You can see it is facing towards 500. So that is 500. Next we have plus. Next we have tens. What is the tens digit? That is 80. So here I will write 80. And at the ones place we have 2. So here I will write only 2. So I think this is clear to all of you. So let us do another question. Okay, that is 8751. So it means we have to fix the ones place towards 1. So okay, I am fixing it now towards 1. Now we have this 5 at the tens place. So we are fixing it towards 50. Now we have 7 at the 100 place. So its face must be on the 700. So now we have 1008 at the thousands place. So here I will just rotate it like that. Okay, that is 800. So what will be the expanded form of this? As you can see, firstly we will write 1000, that is 8000 plus. Now what's the place value of this? 7, that is 700. So here I will write 700 plus. Now we have this 5. Its place value is 50. So okay, I have just written here 50. Next we have in the plus I will write 1 only because its face value is 1 only, ones place. So here I will write 1. Okay, I think is it clear to all of you? So now we are coming to the last question of this. This is 1876. It means we have to fix 1000 because face value of 1 is 1000. Next we have 800s, means it is face value is 800. Now we have this 7. Its face value is 70. So its face must be towards 70. So next in the last we have 6 here. So its place value must be 6. So it's face towards the 6. So here we have 1000. So here I will write 1000 plus 80. What's the place value of 8? That is 800. Next we have after this 7. Now we'll see the tens place, that is 70. We have fixed it towards 70. And in the last we have 6. So here ones place is 6. So here I will write 6. So I think this expanded forms are clear to all of you. All of you got how we will write the expanded form. So you can try this activity at your home. Okay everyone. Thank you all. Have a good day.